Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this craziness, we call it Kite Army. So, speaking of crazy, sometimes things that happen in this brain here, they ain't all right. I come up with some loony ideas, and one of those loony ideas was to use a flex battery-powered angle grinder, connect it up to a jet pump, and then put it on a surfboard, and then, most importantly, have a ton of fun. So that brings us to the angle grinder. This angle grinder puts out about 10,000 RPM at full speed. So it turns out this perfectly matched the RPM requirement of the jet pump, which is 10,000 RPM. Now, obviously you guys are thinking, Andrew, that is a battery powered tool that shouldn't be in water, and that is absolutely the case. Flex doesn't say that you can submerge these, though I can tell you I am really impressed at how rugged these are, because this particular motor on the board has been underwater in total for about half an hour and it still functions. So with all that in mind, let's see exactly what it took to build this high-speed jet-powered surfboard. Cue the montage. right, so hopefully you saw how much fun we had playing with this jet-powered surfboard. It was a blast. Bap, bap. No pun intended. If you could, please make sure you give me a like on this video, leave a comment down below. I'm definitely considering building another board with 2 of these motors on it. That way I can have a little bit more fun than I can have, you know. This is sort of out of my weight class. But until then, make sure you check out that video over there. Don't go surfing anywhere else. Go to that video over there, guys. You're going to love it. We're out of here to the beach.